Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you what is the bloatware and the pre-installed applications in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. As you can see, this is a OnePlus Nord 2 which I'm trying to use in this moment. Let me show you exactly the settings also. What is the exact variant I'm trying to use right now in this video. So here's the settings option, and right now as you can see friends, so OnePlus Nord 2 with a Dimensity 1300 processor. You can clearly see here 1300 Dimensity, and these are the pre-installed applications which came along with the phone as well. And there's nothing much third-party applications installed apart from Netflix. I cannot see much of the applications, and as you can clearly see friends, completely can definitely say that nothing much pre-installed application has been there in the OnePlus Nord 2T. So which is kind of really good, I would say, definitely. And let me know in the comment section below friends what are other videos you want me to upload on the OnePlus Nord 2T. I'll definitely do my best to upload the videos as soon as possible on the OnePlus Nord 2T device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next video for more updates, and bye.